In this video, I'll show you how to make one of these branches here. It's actually really easy, and I think it's just easier to show you on video because it's so quick. So first what you're going to do is draw the spine of the tree, and that will just be this random line that's sort of curved, and you'll use both colors of greens to fill that in. And then once you have that, you'll just draw little lines coming out from that. So I'm going to hold my ornament down and just draw these random little lines. They all need to be curved. And they don't need to connect here. And they'll just get bigger as you go down. And then you can draw to pretend that this is continuing beyond the paper. So then once you have that drawn, you're just going to fill out the branches with these little tiny brush strokes coming off of each and every green line that you have. And these aren't going to be super clear. Some of them won't look individual, and that's perfectly fine because that's how a real pine bough looks. And again, you're going to just continue to switch up the colors here. Some of the branches will be dark green and some of them will be light green. And you don't want to forget this middle line here either. And the brush I'm using is a size 1. You could use a smaller brush or a larger brush if you wanted to. This is just the size I happen to grab. And I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch the whole thing in real time. And that's it. You can see that you have a nice watercolor pine bough here. And then what you're going to want to do is paint all around the card. Make sure that as you're painting, you get plenty of your pine bough here in the ornament, so that way when your recipient takes the ornament out, it has plenty of decoration on it.